Imagine launching an influencer campaign without even hiring anyone. What if your next e-commerce ad was created completely with AI? In today's video, I'm going to share with you design and how you can actually create amazing AI videos. So without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm now logged into design and this is the dashboard. This is how it will present itself. So as you can see on the left-hand side right here, we have the home, all of our projects, our assets and results, the AI tools, API, and then you have tutorials, and they even have a Discord server for you to join. So what I'm going to be doing first of all is I'm going to be creating an AI influencer so that we can use for e-commerce ads. And later on in this video, I will add a product or integrate a product with our AI influencer. And finally, we will create a video where our AI influencer will showcase this product. So you can use this as an e-commerce ad instead of going to hire someone to actually create a video for you. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, guys, so the first thing that we want to start off with is the text to image. So we're going to go down, and as you can see, text to image is going to load, and I'm going to show you exactly how we are going to create this character. Okay, guys, so you can see all of the different styles that they have available right here. So I'm going to go with the design version 3, and this is a very, very realistic version. So as you can see right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in a prompt over here on creating a AI influencer. I'm going to change the aspect ratio right here to TikTok, and boom, do that to TikTok. Now that that is sorted, I can add the generation mode, which I'm going to say fast, and then I just have to type in my prompt and the AI influencer will be created. Okay, guys, so what I did is I went to ChatGPT and I just got a prompt there. So I'm going to paste in the prompt and you can see generate. It will take 2 tokens. So I'm going to generate it. It will start the task already and it will literally be done within a couple of seconds. As you can see, it started to load already. So give it another 30 seconds or so and it will be done. Once it's done, I'll get back to you and we can move on with the next step. Okay, guys, so it's literally been 15 seconds later, and as you can see, we have 2 models created right here. So we have the first woman over here, and then the second one as well. So that was quick, easy, and simple. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and search for a product online. So I'm just going to choose something in the fashion industry, and I'm going to show you how to add it so your AI influencer will actually use this product or promote it. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come down here to the image editor. So what I want to do is I want to insert an object. So right here, I'm going to do auto, select that, and then pick an image. So I'm going to take this jacket that I got off Google. So boom, select that, and I'm going to type in a little prompt right here and then click generate. So now that we have our model here, we are going to upload the image or upload our product to our model. So what you want to do is you want to come here over to image editor on the left and you want to say insert object. So you can pick the lasso, the brush, or auto. So we can do brush and just brush along here where we want the jacket to be on. So we can do that, just brush. All right, and then we can say pick an image. So I'm going to upload the image right there. So we can just pick it, say that screenshot of the jacket, pick an image, and then say add this jacket to the model. All right, so we can just do that, generate. And once we've done that, it will literally add the jacket to the model. And you will see that has a seamless integration between the product and the actor, the actress, or the model. So as you can see, we have 2 different options. So if you use the lasso and you only select the part that we selected, you will get the result like this, where it turns into a top. Or you can select the entirety of her body and it will turn into this. So we are going to use this and I'm going to double click that to put this on the canvas. So let me just do that. Take away the image at the back and put over this image. So what we are going to do now that we have our model, we are going to convert it to an AI video. So as you can see, we can use any of these tools. So let's just use this right there. And then we can say the start frame is going to be that. And we are going to make the end frame the second image right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this image. It's going to say PNG or JPEG, doesn't matter. Download that. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to download that as well as a JPEG file. I'm going to start frame, put that in. And then the end frame I'm going to put in as well. End frame is not available for this model yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in this following message, make the model move around to showcase the jacket. As you can see, we can choose the amount of seconds, we can choose the quality. So I'm just going to make it literally 5 seconds to save a bit of credits, and you can use any different engine that you want. So let's use that one. We'll make it 720. Let's make it 5 seconds, and let's select an end frame as well. So we're going to go to our downloads. Okay, guys, so we are just going to do that. We're going to do it without an end frame. So let's just see what it does and how it actually generates the video, if it turns out to be any good. And another cool thing is that you don't have to go out. You can stay within the same tab. So you don't have to go between many different tabs to actually go from image to video, which is also very, very useful. Okay, guys, as you can see, it will take around 5 to 10 minutes for this video to actually generate. And then I'm going to show you the voice over and the lip sync feature. So there you have it. The video is created. So I'm just going to play it for you. As you can see, a quick, easy video, literally just what I said in the prompt, just for it to turn around a little and showcase the jacket. So now that we have got that, so what we can do is we can just take this screenshot, mark face like that. We can say next, and then we can use the pro version and we can actually give her a sentence to say. So we can pick a voice. So let's go here. We can say Brittany. We can say English, and then we have to type in the speech. And literally after that, I will show you how good it actually is. It's very useful. So you can add a product. It blends in seamlessly with the influencer. You can create it into a video, and then you can literally add lip sync and a voiceover. So what more would you actually need? So I just typed in this that says, hey, I just found this jacket online and it's really stylish. You can play the, so as you can see,
Your spine is
that is her voice. So that is what we're going for. We can say generate audio. We can do standard mode. We can do expressive mode. So let's just do expressive and generate that. And let's see how it goes.
Hey,
Okay, guys, it's already done. It literally took like 5 seconds. So,
hey, I just found this jacket online and it is really stylish.
okay, so that's it. We can apply it. And then,
Hey, I just found this jacket online and it is really
so then
stylish.
the voiceover is there. And then all we have to go and do is generate the lip sync. So going, it's submitted now. And now it's actually going to work on that, as you can see on the right there. So we have to wait a couple of minutes again and the lip sync will be done. Okay, guys, so the lip sync is finally done after a couple of minutes now. So let's check out the video.
Hey, I just found this jacket online and it is really stylish.
All right, guys, so as you can see, that is actually pretty good. So the lip sync is actually very, very good. Matches exactly what she is saying. And the voiceover is also very, very good. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go here to the video editor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell it to zoom into her jacket and then also to add some text and to rotate it. So this is going to be creating a UGC ad with AI. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say zoom into the jacket that is on the model, and then make the angle turn and add the text new arrival. There we go. We can do that, and we can choose this one or this one. So I'm going to choose Runaway Glen. 5 seconds, advanced settings, of course, and then I'm going to click generate. So it's going to start that task again. It's going to take a couple of minutes. Once that is done, I'll get back to you. Okay, guys, so as you can see, just now I added the zoom in effect at the end. So look at this.
Online and it is really stylish.
Zooms into her so you can actually see the jacket a bit better. You can also add text. I decided to take away the text, but you can also add text if you want. So just to add some credibility, I'm going to add another line, like a testimonial line. So I'm going to do is I'm going to say lip sync again. It's going to pick her face, and then I'm going to add a small sentence as well, just to add some trust for the users. So they can see her, have the jacket now, they can see her zoom in and turn. And now I'm just going to add one line. So we have to pick the same voice. So we're going to go with Brittany again. And then I'm just going to put in the phrase. Boom. Okay, guys. So I've been using this for a week and they're perfect for everyday wear. So we can do the expressive mode, generate the free audio. And once that is generated, we're going to go back, we're going to lip sync it, and that will actually add to this UGC
I've been
ad.
using these for a week, and they're perfect for everyday wear.
Look at that. That was quick, easy, and simple. So now we can say lip sync and we can generate that. It's going to submit and it's going to start loading on the right hand side of your screen. So we're going to give it a couple of minutes. When that is done, the UGC ad is basically complete. You can do this with anything. You can do it with a product in her hand. Mine is just something that she's wearing. You can do a different tone, you can add text, and you can do so much more. Okay, guys, so let me show you the video again. So we've done that.
I've been using these for a week, and they're perfect for everyday wear.
Right, so look at that. You can do that. You can add it even to the first video. You can download that, bring it into the main frame. And then last but not least, you can actually add an end slide. So you can put something like the link or some text over it, or you can even add some logos or branding to finish off the video. Want to create your own AI influence ads? Try it now and see how fast your brand actually comes alive. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.